This is a review of this TN450 Brother cartridge by a company called Generic on Amazon. And this is the one I just bought. This is an older one that I bought off of Amazon. It's by a company. It's no longer available there. But this one looked very similar to the original Brother cartridge. But you can notice these two cartridges look very different. First of all, the length of the cartridge is dramatically, or maybe it's the depth, is dramatically different. The way that it mates into the drum really looks like it shouldn't even work. It does work, but it's obviously quite different in construction. It's also a lot lighter. A lot of that probably is due to the plastic, so I can't really compare how much toner the two have in them. Just the overall construction, like this is held together with these screws here, whereas this is held together with screws up here. So it looks totally different. Also, the way the cartridges fit is different. So here's the drum, which is, again, a non-Brother original drum, but it's looked very similar to the drum. Now notice this little green tab. When I close it, the green tab kind of pops up so that I can now press that to unlock it. And the new cartridge, when I put this in, that little green tab never pops up. It looks like they do have the same kind of mechanisms there, but it never really mates properly. But the proof is in the pudding. So let's take a look at these two printouts. It's the exact same document. On the left, we have this new one by Generic. Here's the old one. And again, this toner cartridge is running out. That's why you see a few little lines in the words here. So there are some problems with the new one, but you compare the old one to the new one, and I'm hoping you can see on the video, the old one is, I would say, maybe 80% of the darkness. Sorry, the new one is about 80% of the darkness of this old cartridge. If I hold it maybe like this and take a look at those two 10s, hopefully you can see this one's a lot lighter than this one. If I look at the two images, this image, it definitely looks lighter than this image here. And then on a more text-based page here, this is much closer. But again, if I put these two up to each other, you can see this one's a lot lighter than this new one. So overall, I don't really like this cartridge, both because physically it doesn't match the original cartridges, and it's just not as dark. So hopefully that helps you.